Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have a super simple and relaxing seated chair yoga stretch, all right? There's different types of seated, sometimes it's on the floor, and we're doing this one on a chair, all right? So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. All right, I am gonna be doing 2 sets with you. The first one is a little bit more explanation, demonstration. I talk you through proper form. And then the second one, less talking, more doing. We just get straight through the routine. So if you feel like you have a good knowledge of movement, go ahead and get to that second set. If not, we're gonna start with some side bends. Nice relaxing side bends. Each exercise is 30 seconds. And I'm gonna give you 2 variations for this one. So you can start one hand on your side, reach out and then up and stretching your obliques right here, all right? Making sure that your chest stays forward. You don't wanna turn your chest towards the side that you're leaning towards. You wanna keep it straight and just really focus on that side bend and feeling those obliques. Then we go over to the other side and we do this continuously, all right, throughout the 30 seconds. If you want to challenge yourself and work those muscles a little bit more, you can start with both hands up and they stay up, and you're just gonna go side to side, all right? So 2 variations for you. Choose which one. 30 seconds and let's go. All right, you can just do these movements continuously, going from side to side, or you can choose to hold one side for a few seconds and hold the other side for a few seconds. All right, whatever works for you. You know your body best. All right, 2 more, so one side, and then finishing off the other side. And up, very good, come down, right? Adjust, wiggle it out, and get ready for a chair forward fold. So you can do this standing up, you can do this sitting down on the ground. We're doing it on a chair, wide stance. We're gonna come to the edge of your chair, so making sure you're sitting up, giving yourself enough space to come forward. So we're gonna bring our hands all the way up and come down with a straight back, and then just hang here between your legs, making sure that your chin is tucked, so your head is hanging, and just come as forward as much as you can. I'm gonna show you over here on this side, all right? So here, go straight, and then relax there, okay? 30 seconds on the clock, big breath in, and very good. Let's start, arms up, straight back, and relax forward. Now, when we come up, I just want to tell you this before we come up, we're going to be coming up one vertebrae at a time. So when it's time to come up, I want you to really take your time and roll your body up. We came down with the straight back, but we're coming up, rolling our spine up, all right? So 3, 2, 1, rolling your spine, one vertebrae at a time. Head is still hanging. First, shoulders roll back, and then your head is the last thing to come up. Very, very good. Moving on, we're gonna be doing a chest opener. So hands are behind our back. And what we're gonna do is start by bringing our elbows in towards each other. And you're also gonna bring your head down, kind of just gonna concave in, squeezing everything together, all right? Bringing your elbows together as much as possible. And then when we come up, we're gonna open, 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 and open all the way up, all right? You can even do like a little back bend if you feel comfortable and able, all right? And really open your chest, okay? So here, and then coming back down. All right, we're gonna do this continuously for 30 seconds. Starting position, hands behind your back, and let's go. Be sure when you come forward not to pull too hard on your neck, okay? We want a nice, healthy, safe neck. So don't pull on your neck, just bring it down. 3, 2, 1, and very good. Pops and cracks are okay as long as they're not painful. If you ever feel pain, stop immediately, take a second, evaluate your body, safety first, all right? Last but not least, we're gonna be doing a chair pigeon pose. So again, we're seated up, edge of the chair, all right, and you're gonna grab one ankle and bring it on the other knee, all right? So there you go. Now, you're gonna push down on your knee as much as you comfortably can. Remember, no pain. There's a difference between feeling a stretch and feeling pain. So we're pushing down on this knee, and you can relax right here in pigeon pose. All right, if you want more of a challenge and you feel like this isn't enough, go ahead and lean forward, but lean with a straight back, okay? No curving, no, straight back and lean forward, leading with your chest. All right, and then that's our pigeon pose. We're gonna do one side for 30 seconds and then the other side for 30 seconds. So getting ready, big deep breath, and begin. Grab that ankle, grab that foot, put it right above your knee, and you can either just push down or you can go forward, or both. Breathing, focusing on your breath. When you exhale, it actually helps you go deeper into the stretch. So if you ever feel like you can go deeper in a stretch, always do it on the exhale. 3, 2, 1. If you're lean forward, come up, and then gently release. Very good. 30 seconds on the clock, other side. Very good. I'm hearing all sorts of pops and cracks. It feels good. Remember, if it's not painful, it's okay. This routine is really great in the morning, after a long night's sleep, you know, maybe your joints are a little stiff. This is a great way to get that blood circulation going, to stretch your muscles, warm up your body. 3, 2, 1, sit up and gently release. All right, that was it. That was set number 1 of our seated chair yoga. We're gonna get into set number 2. Take a second, breathe, grab some water, and I'll see you on the next set. Also, make sure you look at the time, so when you come back to this and you already know what to do, you don't need the demo, you can start right here. Alrighty, very good. Set number 2, less talking, more doing. We're gonna start with our side bends. 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. Now the first set I did one arm at a time. Now the second set I'm doing both arms up, so feel free to switch it up. Breathing, strong core, strong tummy, straight back. Very good. Last one, 3, 2, 1, and back to center. Very good. Go ahead and do a nice shoulder roll back. Okay, scooch up a little bit. Big breath and begin. Arms up. 3, 2, 1, and slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time. Very, very Good. All right, next our chest opener. Big breath, hands behind the head, and let's go. 3, 2, 1, very good. Hands down, shoulder roll back, good. Last but not least, our chair pigeon pose. One leg first, and begin. Ready, 3, 2, 1, and up. Gently release, very good. Other side, ready, begin. Up and gently release. That was it. That was our seated chair yoga. I hope you loved it, and if you did and you're ready for another set, go ahead, get to it, rewind. If not, check out our channel. We have so many amazing videos, workouts, meditation, stretches, nutritional conversations, and don't forget to click the bell. I hope to see you on the next one.